Hello to everyone, welcome back to my channel as well as to this video. As suggested by title in this video, I'll present you with my personal favorite top 10 places to visit while you are in Pokhara with your family. Please like, comment, share this video, and if you are new to this channel, please subscribe for more and more travel videos. And with all that being said, let's roll the intro. Number 1. Talbarai Temple, also known as Lake Temple or Barai Temple, is a Hindu temple of the Durga. It is the most important religious monument in Pokhara. This temple is located on a small island in the middle of Feva Lake. As the temple is situated on the small island, the only way to visit it is by boat. The temple is a symbol of manifestation of Ajima, representing the female force. Devotees visit the temple in the Nepalese month of Baisakh, April to May, and Kartik, November to December. Number 2. Davis Falls. The water forms a tunnel after reaching the bottom. The tunnel is approximately 500 feet long and runs 100 feet below ground level. Its Nepali name is Patale Chango, which literally means Patalko Chango, means underworld's waterfall. This is one of the most visited places in Nepal. Number 3. Gupteshwar Mahadev Cave is a cave located just opposite to Davis Fall. The water from Davis Fall passes through this cave. This cave is one of the major attractions of Pokhara. Number 4. The Bat Cave or Chamero Gufa in Nepali is a solutional cave in Pokhara. It is known for a habitat of horseshoe bats inside the cave, over the walls and ceiling. The cave is formed of limestone. It is a show cave and one of the most popular tourist destinations in Pokhara. Number 5. Mahendra Cave is a large limestone cave. The cave corridors are completely dark with continuously dipping water overhead. The cave is formed in limestone, which falls to the ground and continuously forms electrical sparks. Due to the darkness, artificial lighting is provided inside approximately half of the accessible cave. The cave consists of about 100 meters of easily accessible passages and a further 100 meters of low unstable corridors. Number 6. Begnas Lake is a freshwater lake located in the southeast of Pokhara Valley. The lake is the third largest lake of Nepal and second largest after Pheva Lake among the 8 lakes in Pokhara Valley. Water level in the lake fluctuates seasonally due to rain and utilization for irrigation. The water level is regulated through a dam constructed in 1988 on the western outlet stream. Number 7. Pokhara World Peace Pagoda standing on top of the Anadu Hill adds beauty to the Pokhara Valley. It is a perfect holiday place providing a clear view of the Himalayan range, Pheva Lake and Pokhara city. The hilltop provides a splendid view of sunrise and sunset. TripAdvisor has ranked this pagoda as the second top attraction in Pokhara. The pagoda is 7 kilometers from Mahendrapur, the major business spot in Pokhara. There are several ways to reach the Peace Pagoda. Pumdikot has the tallest statue of Lord Shiva in Nepal. The statue itself is 51 feet tall and it sits on a white stupa that adds 57 feet in height, making the entire structure 108 feet high. The construction of statue has promoted this place as a religious tourism destination. From the viewpoint, Pokhara Valley, Pheva Lake can be seen. The Himalayas and World Peace Pagoda can also be seen from this place. Number 9. Pokhara Disneyland is an amusement park that is ideal destination to enjoy a special time with family because of the games it contains, suitable for both adults and children together, as it includes a spinning wheel, electric cars, billiard tables, small boats, game ship, inflatable games and others, as well as food stalls and gifts memorial. Number 10. Fever House is mainly famous for beautiful waterfall, which I have covered in more detail in next coming up video. So don't forget to subscribe and turn on bell icon so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. With all that, I would like to end this video right here and see you all on next one. Bye.